Hello everyone, here's Mel Janka with Jana 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today is day 17 of your 21-day challenge, and we will be doing chest muscles again. This is the favorite muscle group for men, and they like to go heavy there, and for us, not so much. However, we have two choices, or two different exercises. I'll be doing, of course, the typical chest presses facing the ceiling, and then I'm going to be doing push-ups because I promised that in the last video. So without further ado, I'm going to push play to that music. Go ahead and grab your weights and see you in a bit. All right. Music. And I love this song, and you're going to hear why. Yes? So because we're doing chest, we're going to work a lot on shoulder area and arms. So I love this song because the message is the same message I'm trying to put out there. Love is the way. Yes. All we need is love. Awesome. Now listen, to be able to work the pectorals, open, close. Open, close. Yes? Fast. Awesome. Take your chances. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're gonna take it back. Take it back. Leave the elbows. And if you want more, extend. Now, because we're not warm yet, bend the elbows when you go back. Yes, to keep those shoulders safe. All right. Take it in. In. Good job. Nice. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it. Coming forward. Forward. This time we're gonna open. Yes? Nice job. Now, side to side. That's our combination. Working the mind. Forward again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, side to side. Love it. Hold it here. In. This time go low. Eso. Good. Now hold it here. Open. Good. Kind of pulses, double pulses, in and out. Good job. Now shoulders roll. Shoulders. Yep. Take it back. Open. You can feel it right there. Front of the body. Yes, ready? Woo! Let's go. We got to move those legs to get the body, the blood, all of it moving. Take it back, let's go. Yes. Take your chances. 8 more times. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, set to side. All you need is love. Good. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5. We're gonna come forward. Forward. Boom. Good job. That was your warm-up. Shake it, shake it. You should be ready for the workout. So we have the mats. And we have the plates. And then get ready for your push-ups. Remember that? Okay. You remember that I said that we're doing this music that is very well known, very famous? I hope you love it. Okay, look at me. We're gonna go. Put the feet on the floor. Open, facing kind of your legs. Down and up. Down and up. So what you want is to kind of feel your shoulder blades coming together, yeah? Good job. This is press. If you had a bar, or we're using a bar, so you use your plates and your knuckles are always pointing to the ceiling. Now give me 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. Push away. Open chest. Push away again. One more only, one more only. Good job. 2 and 2 tempo. Yes. Smooth and control. If you have heavy plates, you're feeling them by now. If you don't, you can still make it better without adding weight. How? This is how you do it. Down hold it, and when you come up, squeeze. Yes? Squeezing your pectorals, squeezing your abdominals. Okay, everybody, hold it at the top, pulses at the bottom. 3, 2, 1, squeeze up. Great job. Control, control. Give me a 90-90 on those elbows. Lovely. Okay, singles. Woo! One more time, we're pretending having a bar. Yes, if you have the bar, this is the setting. Good job. Okay, everybody, slow. 3, 2, quick up. And 3, 2, 1, quick up. 2 more. Ooh! This is a long song. Stay with me. Okay, 2 and 2. 2 and 2 now. How are we feeling? Again, if you need a break, you can take it, of course. Just come back to us as soon as you can. Drop and stop. Yep. Up and up. One more time. You don't need extra weight. You just need to focus. Squeezing abdominals when you go up. Good job. No more pulses. 3, 2, 1. Again. 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Awesome. One more time. Singles. Woo. Okay, give me 4 more and then we're gonna change to push-ups. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, listen. We still have more to go. Open wide, because we're working the chest. I'm gonna show you my front. Really wide. When you come down, you see a 90-90 on those elbows, okay? Option number 1, with your knees under your hips. Remember, this is still working, just less weight, right? If you want more, second option, down and up. If you want even more, down, down, up. Yes? Now give me singles. Single. Let's see how many singles we can get. Now, the good thing about your push-ups is that it shapes the whole upper body, including arms and shoulders. Again, almost there. Stay with us. Stay with us. 4 more. 4. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Down hold. Slow up. Again, down hold. Slow up. Keep it coming. If you feel that you're like losing your rearrange. Awesome. Good job. Take a break. Yes, I told you it's a long song, and go back to it. You can go to the level that is least strong, right? So this is the level number 1. The most important thing is continue the movement. Level number 2. Good job. Level number 3. Woo. If I feel in here, I'm not going deep enough, I'll go to the next level. I know, guys, I know. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop and stop. Go. Slow up. Again, drop and stop. I'm gonna go to this level because there are too many push-ups. But whatever I'm doing, I'm not stopping. You won't either. Let's go. Singles. Now, if you're on a higher level, these are hard. Come on, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop and stop. Woo! I know. I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm trying to make you healthier. 2 more. Awesome. Drop and hold. Yay! Let's do one super slow one just because. Just because. Hold it. Woo! Let go. Ay, ay, ay. What do you think, guys? That was a lot. But chest muscles are so important because it really keeps everything nice and tight. So let's get ready for that stretching. And I'm going to go ahead and take off my shoes. Okay, so the next song is soft and beautiful. And I would like for you to really get into the feeling, okay? I'm going to try to speak less in this one because we need to just let go. Okay, we begin. Open your knees wide. Open your hand wide. We know, ready. Push the chest down and look to the other side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Other side. Yeah. Continue breathing. Don't let go. Stay. Within. Exhale, soft. Great. Come back to kneeling position. Yeah. Open chest. All right. Now try dropping the shoulders down and hands down to. Now bring them up. Let the chest muscles follow and then come forward. Hey, awesome job. Couple more stretches in this case, just for the whole body in general. Your child pose with extension. Breathe in, breathe out. This is yoga 101, guys. Yoga 101. Continue. Yes. Great job. All right. Let's go. Your body into 90-90. Now use your hand on that side where the knee is bent. Place it on the back, and then you can push forward without pushing the hips, just the chest, and open. Yay! On this same side, we're gonna go to a 90-90 up here, and then push forward. And then we're gonna twist, but this time an open twist. Yes. Good. Then we can do the full twist. Open twist. Yay! Good job. Let's go to the other side quickly. Nice. So open chest. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring it in. All right, twist. Inhale, exhale, and twist to the back. Inhale, exhale, and release. Wonderful job. We are officially done with this class. Thank you so much for being here. See you tomorrow, day 18. Take care. Bye-bye.